Welcome to EMAX, where innovation meets performance and precision is our passion. I'm Bob Liu, and I'm thrilled to take you on a journey through our world of cutting-edge brushless motors, servos, and drones. At EMAX, we don't just build components, we craft solutions that redefine industry standards. For 2 decades, EMAX has been at the forefront of technological advancements, pushing boundaries and delivering excellence to our customers worldwide. Whether it's powering drones to new heights, enhancing robotic capabilities, or driving automation in manufacturing, our products set the benchmark for efficiency and durability. At EMAX, our commitment to excellence goes beyond just manufacturing. We've developed cutting-edge, in-house simulation software that simulates brushless motors with up to 98% accuracy. This powerful tool allows us to fine-tune our designs, predict performance outcomes, and optimize efficiency before a single motor is physically produced. With our simulation software, we reduce development cycles, save on prototyping costs, and ensure that every EMAX motor delivers unmatched performance and reliability. It's a testament to our dedication to pushing technological boundaries and delivering excellence to our customers. But what truly sets us apart isn't just our state-of-the-art facilities or our extensive range of products. It's our unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. We believe in forging lasting partnerships, understanding your unique needs, and providing tailored solutions that propel your projects towards success. At EMAX, quality isn't just a goal, it's a standard we live by. Our rigorous quality control processes ensure that every motor and servo that bears the EMAX name is not just reliable, but exceeds expectations. Our products undergo stringent testing to guarantee peak performance in every application. Behind every EMAX product is a team of passionate engineers and technicians, fueled by creativity and driven by excellence. We thrive on challenges, turning ideas into reality and shaping the future of technology with every innovation. Whether you're in aerospace, robotics, or industrial automation, join the EMAX revolution today and experience the difference that precision engineering can make. Contact us to explore our range of products and discover how EMAX can elevate your projects to new heights.